Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha here, aka the Goddess Tosh. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. And I'm really excited because today's video is going to be a haul. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do a haul since I pretty much started doing YouTube. And I did maybe one haul on my channel, but it's something I wanted to do more often. So this is the perfect opportunity because I just got a package from Shein. Is it pronounced Shein or Shein? I don't know, whatever. Don't come for me. But this is it right here. All the goodies. Alright, so first and foremost, we could start off with accessories. I got this little beret. Usually I don't really wear hats because I feel like I have a big head. But, you know, lately I've been getting into them. And I never had a beret before. So this is really cute. Because I'm basic and all of a sudden I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty. I did get this little Hello Kitty purse. It's so fucking cute. I feel like I could fit a lot of stuff in here, like my laptop, you know, different items. It's freaking cute. Then I got another bag because I need big bags to take with me to work because I'm always on the go. And you know, just so I can carry all my items with me. I have a lot of little small bags, but realistically I never really use those. They're just to look cute in pictures, let's be honest. But look at how freaking cute. Are you from New York even? Do you have a big black puffer jacket even? No, but this is so freaking cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. This is going to get a lot of usage. Then let's move on to the clothes. And then of course I'm going to try them on. So we'll start with this dress. Which I'll also I guess put the picture of the item. Just in case it's a little bit hard to see. But this is another dress that I've seen kind of trending. It's that body print type of dress, which I've seen it on people and I felt it's just so freaking cute. I've seen it on different couple sites, you know, but Shein, I feel the quality of this dress wasn't really giving, but I did like the way it looked on. And this dress, of course, this is really cute. I'm obsessed with this. I can't wait to wear this somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it because I literally live in New York and it's below 0 out, but I'm gonna find an occasion to wear this. I'm definitely also gonna make sure I put all my sizing and everything in the description. Now this is a bodysuit. This is really cute. I can't wait to wear this. Short sleeve. I wasn't really crazy about how it fit, but I feel if you style this properly, you know, it's a vibe, it's a look. Then let's get into my biggest disappointment, my biggest heartbreak. This dress. And the thing that pisses me off is that this is an extra large and I couldn't even get it over my head. I struggled, and it has no stretch whatsoever. The material is really weird, and then when I seen it on the model I was oh, okay, you know, whatever. If anything I should have sized up because this is really freaking cute. It did not fit me. Yeah, Shein, you gotta do better with, you know, your sizing because it's very inconsistent. Or maybe I'm just dumb and I don't know how to measure my sizes properly, but there's no reason why I order items that are extra large and they fit normally, and this time nothing's fitting the way it should be fitting. Make it make sense. I have to hurry up and get through this video because I'm getting ready to go out. So I'm gonna try to get through this. as quickly as possible. Then let's get into like one of my favorite outfits. It's so freaking cute. It's giving clueless, schoolgirl. I just love like the tartan two-piece set vibe. This with like a little hat. It's just mwah, chef's kiss. I love it so much. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear this. One thing I will say is if you have big boobs, you know, you might want to wear like an undershirt for this if you're going to wear it out in public. And again, all my sizes are extra large. And I will make sure to link it except for a few items that were large. And I'll let you know which ones those are. Then I got like some tops. I'm not going to try those on because, you know, they're just like little basics. I got just like a white little tank top, you know, just casual, throw on and go. I've been buying like tank tops and crop tops like I don't live in New York City and it's not freezing. In my mind, I live on the beach. I live in California somewhere, not in New York, where you literally have to wear like layers and layers and layers. Then I got this top, which is really cute. Hold on, I'm filming a video. Then I have this top, which is like see-through. It's really cute though. Again, you can wear this like with a black bra underneath. It goes with, you know, a lot of different things. I got these freaking go-go boots. Obsessed. Literally obsessed. And these shoes will go good with pretty much any of these outfits I showed you. I've wanted a pair of boots like this for so freaking long. But look at the bottoms. Like, look at the heel. Obsessed. These are so freaking cute. So freaking cute. And then also I forgot about these. I needed some gloves, so I just got like a little cute little pair of gloves because I stay losing my gloves. And again, I live in New York City. It's freezing. And, you know, just some bougie fox fur gloves. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you want to see a video of me styling these outfits. But make sure to, you know, follow my TikTok and my Instagram. I'm obviously going to be posting fire pictures and fire content in these outfits. I'm so excited. Valentine's Day is coming up. I'm trying to film some Valentine's Day content for you guys. Maybe a get ready with me. I'm not a makeup artist, so you know, I'm just like starting to get into like makeup, so bear with me. But yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Mwah.